You love t-shirts, right? Everyone does. Now imagine turning that passion into a business right from your home. No crazy overhead, no suits, just you, your killer designs, and the internet. Sounds like a dream? It's totally doable. The home-based t-shirt business is booming. People connect with unique designs, funny slogans, and bold statements. With hustle and the right game plan, you can reach customers worldwide. Build a brand, build a community, and best of all, be your own boss. Ready to rock? Let's do this. First things first, what's your niche? What gets you fired up? Gaming, fitness, pets, sarcasm? Find your passion and you'll find your audience. Do your homework. Check out online marketplaces, social media, even what people wear on the street. What's trending? What's missing? Don't be afraid to be different. The more unique your angle, the more you'll stand out in the crowded t-shirt game. Remember, you're not just selling a t-shirt, you're selling a feeling, a statement, a piece of identity. Don't worry, you don't need to be Picasso to create killer designs. There are tons of tools to help you out. Canva, Adobe Spark, and Placeit are user-friendly options with templates and easy-to-use tools. Experiment, play around, and let your creativity flow. High-quality visuals are key. Think bold colors, clear fonts, and eye-catching graphics. Make sure your designs look sharp, even on a small screen. Get feedback from friends, family, or online communities. A fresh pair of eyes can catch things you might miss. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's the vibe, the personality, the whole story you're telling. What's your brand name? Keep it catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Your brand name should stick in people's minds. Think about your brand colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic. Consistency is key. A strong brand builds trust and recognition. Most importantly, be authentic. Let your personality shine through. People connect with realness. Section 5. Printing Power, your t-shirt factory. Now let's talk production. You've got options. Print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify handle everything from printing to shipping. Low upfront costs, no inventory headaches, perfect for starting out. You focus on the designs and marketing, they handle the rest. If you're going big, consider investing in your own printing equipment. More control, potentially higher profits, but also more upfront costs and responsibility. Research different printing methods like screen printing, DTG, or heat transfer. Each has pros and cons depending on your needs. Section 6. Online store open 24/7. Your online store is your digital storefront open to the world 24/7. Make it count. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Squarespace make it easy to create a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. High-quality product photos are crucial. Showcase your t-shirts in different settings on diverse models and highlight the details. Clear and concise product descriptions are a must. Highlight the design, fit, fabric, and any unique selling points. Section 7. Social media, your marketing superpower. Social media is your best friend. It's free, or at least very affordable, and puts you directly in front of your target audience. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Find where your ideal customers hang out and engage. Share behind-the-scenes content, showcase new designs, run contests and giveaways. Get people excited about your brand. Don't underestimate the power of influencer marketing. Partner with individuals who align with your brand and have a loyal following. Section 8. Home Biz Champ. Beat the challenges. Running a home-based business has its perks, but also its challenges. Stay organized, manage your time effectively, and create a dedicated workspace. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day. Don't forget the bigger picture. Set goals, track your progress, and celebrate your wins. Remember, you're not alone. Join online communities, connect with other entrepreneurs, and seek support when you need it. Section 9. Start today, your t-shirt dream awaits. Starting a business can be daunting, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You've got the passion, you've got the drive, now take action. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. The t-shirt world is waiting for your unique voice. Get out there and make it happen.